This is a rail yard in Binghamton off Eldridge Street, and they're filling up the sand trucks here. There's sand all on the ground here. Sand's coming in here. He just parked. Yeah. I guess he's going to weigh them. It says natural gas, anything but natural. It's a dirty fossil fuel. Bainey is the company. There's the weight, 7,000. 7,000 or more. That's what's on our road, so I don't know if that's the full weight. There he goes. $75,000.
Got your baggie for you.
Good.
It's definitely silica sand.
They weighed it. It said like, I don't know if it's 75,000 or 7,000.
Yeah.
They weighed the whole thing right there.
Empty. Oh no, that's full.
There he goes.
It is filled up, so that's full.
Yeah, that's the other
Oh, here comes another one. Here they come in.
Are these trucks that we want on our roads, how much they weigh? You know?
Yeah, they weigh a lot. Yeah.
What did you see? 75,000?
75,000. But I don't know if it means.
Divided by 2? That's 35. It's almost,
So here comes another one that get filled in.
9 2, wait, 35.
So I guess they gotta weigh them again after they come in. So that's the weight, 25,000 of the truck itself.
You saw 75 of them?
Yeah.
So that means they're putting
about 45,000 pounds of sand, which is about. Vera.
Yeah?
This guy's out of his truck on the top of it.
just asking before talk to them.
Yeah.
Say,
We're on the non-private side. You gotta press the fence.
Hi, how you doing?
Pretty good.
So where are you gonna go? What part of Pennsylvania?
Dimmick?
Dimmick?
How you doing?
how you doing? Do they have you wearing respirators around this stuff?
Yeah.
So where's
That's
your
not what I saw
respirator?
when I looked down there, there's nobody with respirators on.
Oh, at the loading facility?
Yeah.
Just on the road pad.
Oh, on the well pad.
Yeah.
So you don't have any respirator on you right now in the truck?
Oh, I have it in the truck. Yeah.
But that's just for the well pad?
Yeah.
So what company are you delivering for?
Fracking?
And what company do they work for? What gas company, do you know?
Cabot?
Cabot? You're going to Dimmick?
Yeah.
Do you know what well pad you're going to, what the name of it is?
Are you guys local?
Seaforcool?
Seaforcool, yeah, I know the name. Seaforcool, yeah. You're going up there. So what are they doing? Fracking over there? Mm-hmm. They already fracked that site. So they maybe added another well.
It must be.
Are you a local person or?
I live in Harrisburg.
Oh, Harrisburg you live in.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for your time.
Careful driving.
That's the packet of sand that you found where? On the ground?
Right there, you have a pile of it.
Pile of it near the...
On this side.
On this side where the rail trucks are, right? Across the way here. You can see right through this fence. The trucks are here.